Hi there, students. In this video, I'd like to look at income, incoming, outcome, overcome, upcoming, and oncoming. So, I'm sure you all know about income. Yeah, your income, the money that you earn. His income is less than his expenses. It's probably because of all the income tax he has to pay. So income is the money you earn by working or from interest. It's the money that you get back, okay? So income. And then we have the word incoming, okay? Something that's coming in. So the incoming tide has lots of interesting things floating on it. Or somebody who's going to take an office. The new prime minister has been elected, so he is the incoming prime minister. Okay, so incoming, something coming in. Maybe you've seen in a war film, they shout incoming, means they're firing at us. Bullets are coming towards us, they are incoming. Okay, the outcome. The outcome is the result or the effect of an action or a situation. So it's difficult to predict what the outcome of this policy will be. What will happen? The results. Yeah. What was the outcome of the match? Yeah. The outcome of the meeting is that we made a deal. There are various possible outcomes to this situation, okay? The result, the outcome of something. Okay, to overcome, to surmount, to prevail over. So he overcame his enemy. They fought and he was the winner. The boxer overcame his competitor. To get better or to recover from a difficult situation, to get over. Finally, he overcame the illness. He will overcome his difficulties in time. Do you think the company will overcome this crisis? To overcome, to win, to prevail in a battle, in a contest. Okay, so to overcome. Also, I was overcome with anger. I was overcome with jealousy. So it spreads all over me. Yeah, I was beaten by it, if you like. I was overcome with a massive urge to laugh because the situation was just so funny. He was overcome by the good news and couldn't stop crying. Okay, upcoming, not a verb to upcome, but upcoming as an adjective. Something that's going to happen in the near future. There are upcoming elections, yeah? The upcoming film is going to be really good. What plans do you have for the upcoming year? Okay, happening or something that's going to happen quite soon in the near future. And then oncoming. Okay, so oncoming, I think either an adjective or a noun. Something coming towards you. Yeah, the oncoming traffic blinded me with its lights. Yeah. If you're going to overtake, be careful before pulling out into oncoming traffic. I could see the oncoming storm. It was coming towards us. It was approaching. It was coming closer. So I think incoming is something that is, upcoming is something that is oncoming in time. Upcoming is something that's going to happen soon. Yeah, whereas oncoming is running towards you. It's coming towards you. Okay, and that's the idea. So, income, money. How much money do you earn? What's your income? Yeah, he has a very good income. He earns a good income from his business. Incoming, coming in, okay? So the incoming tide, the incoming prime minister, the outcome, the result of something, yeah? What is the desired outcome of this lesson? Well, the desired outcome is that you learn the meanings of these words and how to use them. Okay, what would be the outcome, the possible outcome of tossing this coin 3 times? What are the different possible outcomes? What was the outcome of the match? Overcome, surmounted by. I was overcome by difficulties and I couldn't do anything about them. He overcame his problems. He recovered from, he got over them. Yeah, I was completely overcome with anger and jealousy. I just couldn't stop myself, so I hit him. Upcoming, something that's happening soon. There is an upcoming conference on this matter. Yeah, the upcoming weekend is going to be real fun. And then oncoming, moving towards you. Yeah, approaching and coming closer. Yeah, the oncoming bullets didn't hit anyone. Yeah, the bull charged at me, but I managed to dodge the oncoming bull. So, how formal are these? I think these are all neutral formality. Yeah, I think all of them, income, incoming, outcome, overcome, upcoming, oncoming. I think you can use all of these anywhere, so all in a 5 informality. So they're good to use. And then incoming, coming in, or income, something that comes in. Outcome, well, something that's going to happen, out, the result in this case. Overcome, it goes over you. Upcoming, coming up, happening soon. Next up, and then oncoming, towards you, oncoming again. Okay, so that's the idea of these words. So I think that's probably enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Income, incoming, outcome, overcome, upcoming, oncoming.